What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton.
All going people. I guess one of the few things we can actually agree on. I said Jamaica are one of the most beautiful places on earth. And if you don't agree,
suck them mother.
good thing nobody never asked
95 times. Suck them mother 100 times. Suck them mother 200 times. Suck them mother 300, 400, 500 times. Go suck your mother.
And if you can't tell from a thick Jamaican accent, me not come from Kingston.
Okay.
Yes, there are different parishes other than Kingston and Montego Bay. Me come from Westmoreland. And before me start, let me set something straight. Yes, Kingston and Westmoreland, two different places, two different ends of the spectrum. But the main difference between Kingston people and people from Westmoreland are the way how we speak. Yes, we kinda chat bad. Now what? We don't have a problem with it. But for some reason, if you ask a Kingston person,
Yo, my general, when I hear about Westmoreland, why first thing come to mind?
80% the one them wanna travel. Them lists always gonna contain one out of them three things here. Bush, donkey, and portable houses.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Like for some reason that's the only thing them think about and then think about it. However, the story I kinda have one out of the three, which not really help my argument.
What the
You know what? Me kick it off. So boom. The story happened when me about 6, 7, some of this. At the time we used to live at a place named Cold Spring. Basically in the hills. Like the house them used to dip on some cement block to keep the house level. Something like this. I remember me then at the living room. I watched my favorite TV show at the time. The OG Tarzan. Like before me know about Tarzan, me know about the brother here. George of the Jungle. Jah know. My favorite show. Jah know. Good old days. Yeah, the days them when TV did design like microwave. The days them were slapping the side of the TV can fix anything. Color. Audio. Shit. If you slap the side of the TV at just the right spot, just the right speed, at just the right force, you just might get a new channel. Them days are the greatest, but not lie. Anyways, you hear me and watch TV and all of a sudden my belly start make that yo poop a forward sound. You know the little grumbling sound the way belly make when you want poop. Yeah man, my belly start make the sound there. Pause. People, bear in mind say at the time me around 6, 7, you see me? We already know say pitney nasty. So boom, look round, see if nobody a listen or if nobody then here. And try, squeeze it off. Nigga.
He needs some milk.
Like if my reflex never good, I swear to you say I right there someone that nasty at myself. It's like my body and my know say,
Yo, you know you just fuck up, right?
I really never in that today. See me so boom, me jump up fast and shut it out the door cause I swear to you even if I stay in the house for one more second, me know me I gonna nasty at myself. And yes people, we have an outside toilet at the time. The bathroom did about a minute out, you see me? So I shut it out of the bathroom, try the lock and the door lock. My body tell me know say,
Yo, Brother, if you not go to the bathroom right now, my general, I swear to you, say, yo, alright, I say, yeah, let it go.
Soon after me hear my brother in the bathroom.
Yo, how would I do this, sir?
Brother, yo. One shit still not you. What you do?
Why? Yeah, I forgot wait still on my gym. Just reach in, you know. Yo, try step on your toe and make it go up until me done.
You wanna see me out the door, brother? Use all of the force on my toe. And I swear to you, nothing never did that happen. My patience run out, you see me? So, brother, me do what any 6-year-old would I do. Me take my time and go behind the toilet, you see me? Drop my pants and, you know, do what they do.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
After me do the crime and thing, you see me? You know, say, yo, you have to, you know, clean on them thing, you see me? So, my 6-year-old brain tell me, say, don't ask your brother for the tissue, my general. Grab the nearest bush.
No! Say you swear to fucking God, bro.
Nigga. But anyways, you know, do them every day with go back in, you gonna go and watch TV and thing. 10 minutes pass and me start scratch me like them places they start scratch me and me I say, yo, what go on? Like really a scratch me. Like can't sit down at all scratch me. Like it's like you probably have to go to the hospital scratch me. Them levels them I talk about. So about 5 more minutes passed and you know, me do what any 5-6-year-old pitney that do. I got to my mother, you see me, and knowing say at the time me have a nice and caring mother. She asked me for sure what me use. You see me? Nigga. Out of all of the bush them what they did there. Guess which one me use? Coach. Jano. Now, if you're an urban individual watching Kingstonian, coach are basically one butch with scratch skin. You see me? This will cause this and this.
Oh my God!
Brother, for the whole day me couldn't sit down properly, fam. I swear. Coach. More of the story. Stepping on your toe no work, brother. And whosoever come up with that stupid shit, God go with you, I swear. And one more thing. As hard as times get, bush is not the way to go, bro. I swear. Take it from me.